Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. So looking at gold currently lower time frame, we can see that this market is still maintaining strong bullish market structure in all time frame. So on the lower time frame, we could find significant trading opportunity after a break of local structure. Before we look at where is our entry point, let's first look at higher time frame, looking at the monthly chart to see overall direction in the market. Now from the monthly we can see that this is the monthly candle that has closed on gold, which is a very strong bullish engulfer. Now, as I mentioned in my previous analysis as well, gold has created a very strong bullish structure. If you look at this support level here on the monthly, this is a monthly support where we saw that the market has come to that level and created a higher low. We have seen a very sharp rejection, signaling potential higher high on the other side. As the market has formed a higher low, we can expect now formation of higher high, maintaining a typical uptrending market structure. Now at the same time, we see that gold, this is a liquidity grab on the higher time frame. That means that we can expect gold to remain bullish at least to this level at 2080, or even breaking that high could create a new higher high. Looking at the weekly chart to see where gold is heading. Now looking at the weekly, we can see that gold has come to the previous weekly long week candle. Now if you have watched the weekly forex forecast from us, you have seen that this is what we exactly expected on gold to come back down to retest this weekly 50% long week candle, and it did that. And from that zone we see this market is rejecting. Now, as the market had a bounce, it is a long-term bullish market. But I think that this week we could see that the market will try to test this weekly resistance, or even breaking this high could be possible, as still we have one more day for from the weekly perspective to go. Now let's see now daily to see how the market is doing. Now from the daily perspective, we see that gold market structure is very clearly seen. There is an impulse correction. Now the price is still maintaining a very strong bullish market structure. One thing that we can recognize here is that whenever the market is going, see, whenever the pullback is a bit getting bigger and bigger, and here we saw the biggest pullback, so that's the sign that at some point we could see any of this liquidity zone will be broken. But still the market is maintaining a very strong market structure. We saw that there is a daily long week candle here, which is a resistance. And I think that before the weekly close, we could see that gold is going up again to retest this level. And from that zone forming a double top or reversal pattern, we could see coming back down before the weekly in the next week, or before the monthly close, for another liquidity grab. So at the moment we see the market is still maintaining bullish market structure. So this is where we will find a bias to the upside on gold. Now from 4 hour we saw there was two-step liquidity grab. There is one here, there's one here, and the market is now preparing for an upside bias. So here we see that the market on the lower time frame can give us bullish opportunity. So looking at very lower time frame for entry purpose, we see that from the 15 minutes, this is the local resistance line. We saw the market has formed series of higher low, has broken out of this level. We'll be waiting for a local breakdown, especially below this level. There is a high liquidity, as we are expecting gold to be bullish. What I think that as the news is coming, we can expect gold to come down again below this swing low, and this is where we will be waiting for a potential entry opportunity. As soon as we will find suitable entry on gold, I will look for buying. And I think that below this level there is a fair value gap, and in that zone we can find significant entry. This could be the TP1, and later we can extend it if we see the market is showing significant bullish market structure. So this is the level that we can look for potential entry after a price action confirmation and after this local breakdown that is expected. Guys, if you enjoy this analysis, make sure that you leave a like and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.